everyone. Do you know that before you even speak a word to the audience, you already start communicating with them? Yes, through your non-verbal communication, that is your body language, which is a combination of your facial expressions, your eye contact, your posture, and your gestures. So today let's find out which are these different types of body languages that we can use as tools to give a power-packed presentation. In a research conducted by Professor Albert Mehrabian, a psychologist, he found that in a speech, 55% is non-verbal communication, 38% is the tone of your voice, and only 7% are words. Is that surprising? Well, actually, no, because according to Professor Mehrabian, he says that when we are communicating our emotions and feelings, our body language speaks more than words, and the audience gets connected to the body language first and then to the words. So let's find out which are the different types of body languages that we can use very effectively to our use. So, beginning with facial expression. The easiest way to begin a speech without saying anything is a smile. It gives an instant connection with the audience and shows that you are friendly. A blank face, on the other hand, shows that either you are nervous or you're not interested. But a pleasant smile, a pleasant face shows that you are excited to be over there with them. Now, there are different types of facial expressions. I wouldn't say that stick to one particular one. As you keep on practicing, they'll come automatically to you. For example, when you're making a point, maybe you could raise your eyebrows, or if something is there about a matter of concern, maybe you could frown your eyebrows. So these are all natural things which come. But there are certain things which we should avoid. For example, don't try to bite your lips, or just rubbing your tongue over your lips. And we mostly do that, all of us, that when we forget something, so the audience doesn't know that you've forgotten it. But if you give these type of expressions and all that, the audience will automatically come to know that yes, you have forgotten something, or maybe you're trying to remember something. So this you should avoid. The next body language, your posture. The way you sit, stand, and walk reflects your attitude. So, when you're on the stage, always keep a very relaxed posture, because if you are confident and relaxed, the audience will also feel relaxed. So, see that your shoulders are straight, not too much behind, natural, casual, relaxed, and your hands at your side so that you can use your hands when you have to point out to certain things or you have to give importance to certain things. But see that these hands are not this way. We do not want attention pose. We do not want stand at ease pose. And most importantly, if there is a stand or anything over there, see that you do not take the support and keep on talking to the audience. Fidgeting with your fingers, breaking your knuckles, all these do not give a good impression. So we should avoid them. Walking too much on the stage. Yes, you should walk, but then see that suppose you're going to the right of the stage, then complete a point over there before you move very casually to the next part. Maybe then you could go to the center, again complete a point, then over there. Then when you're pointing out to something, if you have to show an image or something, just sideways you can turn and show over there whatever is the image that you have to show, because showing your back, you all know, is not considered a very good expression of your body language. So similarly, your body language that is there, your posture that is there, that will all come automatically to you as you keep on practicing, as you keep on observing yourself. But certain things which we said, you should avoid. Now that we've seen facial expressions and posture, let's move on to gestures. Gestures are the movements that you make with your hands, nodding of your head, tilting of your head. All these give little more expression, little more weightage to your words. But again, see that you do not overuse these gestures. So that is why when your hands are at the side, Your hands will move according to the words that you're talking about. If you're pointing out to something, then your hand gestures will be this. If you want to talk to the audience in general, so just a sweeping hand movement is more than enough. But pointing a finger to the audience, this is a matter of concern. Are you aware of it? No. The moment you point your finger, it becomes like as if you're accusing them of pointing to some particular person. So we should avoid it. Gestures again should be natural. Same thing, your fingers are there, your hands are there. What to do with them? Keep them at a side in a relaxed position. There are other body languages also, which we shall be covering up later. So remember, work on your body language and appearance also, because these are very silent but very powerful communicators. Use this power to leave a lasting impression on your audience. So, till we meet again, keep in mind your face is worth 1,000 words. Goodbye.